Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking a moment to check out this video today. And I want to share with you in this video an introduction to the Nexus Rewards program, okay? And, I probably shared it somewhere before, but I want to make sure that I did, okay? And so I want to plug you into this video and let's listen to this because this is absolutely powerful. Now think about this. I don't do a lot of talking about all the ins and outs of Nexus Rewards because I let the tools do that for me. You can do the same thing, okay? It is a powerful, low-cost program, okay? And you can make immediate income as well as residual income. So I want you to listen to this short video, less than 5 minutes long, okay? And hear the potential of this program, all right? And before I plug you into the video, I also want to let you know that I've got a newsletter where you can sign up for. It's a Make Money Online newsletter, and we talk about personal growth and development, business development, as well as no cost and low cost tools that you can use to build a business online. Plus, the information about Nexus Rewards will be in there, a link where you can sign up for Nexus Rewards also. Okay, so just listen to this, okay, and see whether or not this is something that interests you. Okay, all right.
Welcome to the launch of the brand new Nexus Snap. This is the easiest and most lucrative opportunity I've seen in over 30 years. Imagine getting 25 cents, 50 cents, a dollar or more cash back on every gallon of gas that you buy, up to 25% off your grocery bill, 40% off dining, 90% off prescription medications, up to 70% off all your shopping, both on and offline, and huge savings on your cell phone bill, internet, cable, electric bills, and so much more. Now, to become a premium member, it's only $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate fee. At under $10 a month, it not only pays for itself, but it can actually make you hundreds, even thousands of dollars, whether you ever refer people or not. But if you do decide to share this with others, the potential earnings can be enormous. In fact, you can make $34 on everyone you enroll, even if they join for free. No other company has that feature. Then you'll earn an additional $25 on all your paid members. Whether it's 5, 10, 50, 100, or more, you'll get $25 on all of them. Next, you can earn up to 10 levels on everyone your people refer. So as your people refer others, that's your second level. You could have dozens, even hundreds of people on your second level alone. And as they share it with others, that's your third level. This growth continues to multiply through an entire 10 levels of referrals. When you factor in some geometric growth, there is tremendous income potential here, especially when you have an automated system that from start to finish duplicates the process over and over and over again. Next, Nexus pays an additional 20% through a one-of-a-kind, copyrighted, coded infinity bonus. Everyone who gets coded to you will randomly code 2 of their first 5 members to you, who in turn will code 2 more. This process continues on and on and on. You could ultimately be earning $2 monthly payments on an ever-expanding group of members who are literally dozens, ultimately hundreds of levels deep into your network. Plus, we don't have to stop at 5. We can share this with as many people as we want. And you get 2 new infinity pay lines from every one of them. The income generated just through the coded bonus part of the plan can be mind-boggling. Next, the instant you become a paid affiliate, you are immediately placed into the highest position available in our lucrative 3x10 force matrix. A 3x matrix means that there's 3 positions under you, and once they're filled, either by you or the people above you, everyone else will go underneath them until the 9 positions on the second level are filled. Then everyone goes on the third level until that's filled. Then the fourth level, and on through 10 levels. Now, the most you can make in this matrix without referring anyone is $2,460 a month. But that number triples with just 1 referral, and it triples again with just 5 referrals. And the exciting thing about this matrix is that you can also receive a 100% check match on all of your referrals. Meaning, if one of your referrals makes $10 in the matrix, you'll make an extra $10 on top of your matrix earnings. If they make $100 in the matrix, you'll make an extra $100 on top of your matrix earnings. If they make $1,000, you'll make an extra $1,000 on top of your matrix earnings. Whatever your referrals earn in the matrix, you will earn as well. The timing could not be better. Think about it. Who doesn't want to pay less? Simply by sharing this website, you're helping others save money and get cash back, while generating a life-changing income that can pay you for years and years to come. People are joining this program every day. Ultimately, there'll be hundreds of thousands, maybe even millions of people all over the world in this company. Wouldn't you like them to be under you? The longer you wait, the further down you will be placed. The timing is not going to be any better tomorrow, next week, or next month. There will never be a better time than right now to secure your position and lock in a spot. On behalf of your sponsor, my brother and I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video.
Okay, so there you have it. Isn't that powerful? Look, if you're interested in the business opportunity, and you can sign up for free and take advantage of that part of our system as well. But if you're interested in, starting a really potentially profitable business, low cost, as you know, as you heard, $9.95 a month, $40 one time out of pocket. Okay. But we've got no and low cost solutions to share with you so that you can market effectively and to help you to make money online. Okay, so we've got the opportunity here with Nexus Rewards, and we've got a plan, and we help you put that plan into action. Okay, and that's for those who want to really do the business. All right. Or you can just take advantages of the free apps. Okay, we've got all that for you. Plus, in my newsletter, which I'm going to invite you to take advantage of, everything's going to be there. I talk about vital information on life principles and concepts, okay, of personal transformation. And you can sign up for free, okay, and you can unsubscribe at any time. And so in the newsletter, there'll be a link where you can sign up for Nexus Rewards as well and check out everything that we're doing there. But we've got everything in place for you. So grab the link in the description area of this video and get signed up today at the newsletter, okay? And as I said, you can unsubscribe at any time. But there you have it. I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed and amazing day today. Bye-bye.